Lowe's. They've got quite a bit of water in their parking lot. The new part of Silver Lake that they just built is not passable right now.
Look at this.
Wow. Got one lane on Adams here. This is the street. It's full of water. This is on the street. Over here is the go-karts and the little shop and the U-Haul store that are all pretty much underwater too. Here is this is a road that you would be driving on because we're on the wrong side of the lane because there's the yellow line that we should be on that side, but it's full of water. Coming up and it's dry, so we'll get back on the... It's all water out there, I don't know if you can tell. That's water. Now I can... Oh, it's the canyon. The canyon's filthy as it is.
How much do you think it's gone? Do you know how much it's gone down since it started? You think about there?
I don't know. Probably. It looks like it was up to here. Yeah, you see over there it's gone down.
Wow. Kind of amazing now.
Take a picture.
A picture?
Yeah, over there. The holes.
Yep.
Oh, look at this house. That house.
You can see the water slowly moving in this direction.
Oh, I think that'd be so bad.
But
Oh, where's that?
see how that's pushing water up here?
Oh, I see another little hole.
Yep, this was a street here. It went back that way.
Oh, Daddy, look at this river. Look at that. That's a big one.
It's all a big one, Amy. This is all part of the Caney River now.
Where's this coming from there? That is the ocean, kind of.
No, just a river.
Those
So do you know if
trees.
Wyandotte gets flooded over here pretty easily?
This is along Frank Phillips Road. This is off of Frank Phillips. This is Tucker Park, soccer fields on Frank Phillips. This is the other side of Frank Phillips.
Should probably not try to drive and take pictures at the same time.
Oh look, there's people in a boat.